Hello everyone. Today I'll be doing a swipe. I decided to do an animal print type swipe on this 8 by 24 inch canvas. I have the back taped so that it stays fairly clean, and I have push pins on the corners to hold it up off the surface. And I'll show you my colors. I have a combination of DecoArt's copper, extreme sheen copper, and Golden's, this is the high flow acrylics iridescent copper. So I mix the two together. I have this nice shimmery rich copper color. I'm using, I mixed this up some time ago. There's just a little bit left in this crusty jar, but it looks like a combination of these two Liquitex Basics Bright Sienna and Raw Sienna. This is Modern Masters Flash Gold Metallic. And I'm using, I had again mixed up some time ago a mixture of DecoArt's Soft Gold and DecoArt's 24 karat gold. They're in two separate crusty jars, so I put them together. It makes a nice soft looking gold. And finally, for colors, DecoArt's Extreme Sheen Obsidian. And it's a shimmery black gray color. So those are going over my pillow paint, which will be ColorPlace ready to use bright white in the satin finish. And then over top of my colors I'm using a cell activator, and that's a combination of Australian Floetrol and Amsterdam titanium white. And I have it mixed up here. Am I in focus? All right, I'll set up and get started. So first I'm going to flood my canvas with my pillow paint. And this helps the colors flow. Keep containers of soapy water handy and paper towels, because this can be a messy, sticky job. So now the colors. I'll start with the burnt sienna, and I'll just put stripes down the middle. Gold can sometimes take over, so I'll try not to use too much of that. Copper, flash gold. Obsidian. And now I'll take, these are plastic file folders, well I used a plastic sheet. So I'm going to apply my cell activator. I've got to use the straight side. Just on this one side. Then I make contact, and then just gently pull. It looks like I'm getting a lot of those white ghost cells again. So I'm going to try my other tool that I showed you in my last video. This is heavier, maybe it'll pull the colors over more. Yes, it's pulling them over. I didn't want to apply too much pressure, but I guess I should have. I just put cell activator on a little bit of this scraper. So consistency is important with pour painting. And with this technique, the pillow, the base has to be the thickest, which it was. Then the colors are in between, and then the cell activator is the thinnest of the three. If you are enjoying this video, please like and subscribe below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe below.